Yeah, very handsome fella, that Robert Boyle. And that's all I'll say about that. You're welcome. So, experiment time here. You might try this in your schools at some stage. You need to be careful because you're working with boiling water, which is very hot, 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. So you can see that's just boiled in my scientific kettle here. We have a milk carton that we're going to use, and also a glass that has made its way all through college. It is a graduated glass because it has measurements on it. No? Okay. Terrible joke, but a good experiment, we shall see. So I'm going to pour about 100 millilitres of water into this. So if I go down and pour in about 100 millilitres, and then I get down nice and low to check that I'm at the right level. Very good. Now be very careful with this. You might need help. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour in the boiling water into the milk carton, and this has got a lot of energy, and you'll see that the steam is coming out of the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this push out, air expand, push out all of the air that's inside it out. Now, the first thing you have to do with this is you have to wait for about 20 seconds before you put the lid on. So, in your school right now, you might want some waiting music. I'll do that now, maybe. Do 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 cha da 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 da. 20 seconds is longer than I thought. I gotta keep going. Ba da do 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 ba da 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 da. Okay, that's 20 seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna cap it. You're welcome for the music, by the way. Here we go. Cap it. Now, this doesn't happen instantly. This takes a little bit of time. So what's going to happen is the water and the air inside is going to cool down, and over time it will compress. So we're going to have to leave that for a little bit of time over to one side and come back to it. However, we have another experiment in the meantime. This is one that you might be trying yourselves at home. If you have a glass of water and you turn it upside down, you spill it, and the water comes out as expected. Nothing too snazzy there. However, if knowing some science and Boyle's law and all of the atmospheric pressure that we have around, if we put a piece of card on top of this and then turn it upside down, what will happen? Well, it will do it. Okay, we turn it upside down, and we turn it upside down like this, and then we take our hand away and ta-da! So, the pressure inside the glass pushing down and gravity pulling down is less than all of the atmospheric pressure around us pushing up. So the card stays in place, and it's quite impressive. And look, just to prove it's real, look. Like a fairly snazzy atmospheric compression. I know I overcame the pressure to do it. But just to show you, here's what I made earlier with this. Eventually, this one will look like this, but it's going to take some time, so don't expect it to happen instantly. Now, later on, Grania and I are going to do a bigger, more implosive version of this, so stick around to have a look at this.
Check this out.
When you said that we were going to be doing this on a bigger scale, I didn't realise how big you meant. It's huge.
Well, this is a pretty big milk carton. I mean, for everybody at home, you did so much good work this year, we thought we'd try and do some presents. Can we switch off the gas, please? Okay, so we switch off the gas. So what's happening now? Oh, here we go.
Safety equipment.
Safety first. Okay, great. Okay, so this is essentially the same as what happened. Oh,
Whoa.
already. This is essentially what happened with the milk carton. So we put like hot water into it, steam came out, we left it for a while, and then it kind of compressed.
Yes.
What we've been doing here is we've heated it,
Yeah.
got water inside, it's pushed all the gas out. Now
Same
it's
process.
already starting to cool. Now this barrel is very hot. So
Okay.
hot gloves, do not try this in anybody's home, anywhere else. So this is trade professionals. Be careful of the heat. We're going to try and put it into this cold paddling pool.
Okay, we're doing it now?
Yeah, we're doing it
Oh,
now.
we're doing it,
Nice
okay.
so away from the body, around you.
Yep.
Up this way.
Up.
Up, over, and
It's
down.
the ice bath.
Okay, so there's ice and water in here. Now, this also has a hose on it. So what we're going to try and do is cool this down.
Right.
So all of the atmospheric pressure that's around us then should be pressing on the barrel, squeezing it down, and all of the air that was pushed out, that space that it took up, is going to be gone. So it's going to have to want to try and compress on itself. Now, this is a steel barrel. So it's quite...
It's going to take a lot.
It's going to take a lot to do this, but we're
Yeah.
going to cool it down. Ah! Oh!
Whoa! tip.
Thank you very much.
What a way to end the show
Yes.
with a bang, literally.
Yes, look, pressure. It's all about pressure and how you deal with it.